Quick Start makes it easy to create the walls for your plan. From the File menu, choose New. From the New Project choices, click Quick Project. The shapes represent rooms in your home. Using your left mouse button, click on one of the shapes and drag the shape into the drawing workspace. Release the button to place it. To resize or reshape, drag one of the corners with the left mouse button down over the corner. The grid is set up in 1 foot increments, so as you change the shapes or sizes, those will change 1 foot at a time. Quick Start will recognize overlapping rooms and edit them for you later. For instance, it may be quicker and easier for you to position the entire bedroom and then select a closet or a bathroom and overlay that into the corners that you wanted within the bedroom space. Once you click Continue, those rooms will be cut out and the closet and bathroom walls would automatically be built for you. Just remember that what you see is what you will get. So if you've overlapped rooms, make sure that the rooms you want cut out are on top of the other rooms. You can also create irregular shaped rooms as well. Here, you'll see we've got an L-shaped hallway. We've taken 2 instances of the hallway room and created an L. We can then edit the walls later to create one connected room from that if we wish. You can even get a top-down bird's eye view looking into your plan to help you lay out the space. Click the aerial view and you'll see that a top-down view looking into the plan appears. If you, for instance, wanted to change the size of the garage, as I drag that wall down, you'll see it updates in the 3D view. This will make it useful to get the space just the way you want it. Once you have the space laid out the way you want it, click Continue. The walls will automatically be built. Click the Views pop-up menu for options to view your plan. Choose the 3D Window View option. A window appears with a 3D view of your house. You can easily add an automatic roof by selecting the perimeter and clicking the Generate Roof button. Next, we'll use the Wall tools and add a couple of small rooms to the plan. To make it easy to look down into a room in the 2D plan, just click with the left mouse button to select the room and from our navigation tools, choose Room View. This creates a top-down view in 3D looking at the selected room. Use the Zoom and Pan tools to adjust the 2D view as needed. From the Floor Tools group in the left sidebar, choose the Wall tool. Position the cursor on the wall. Drag the cursor along the wall and out to place the other end. Release to place the wall. And you'll see the 3D view is updated. The Custom Length Wall allows you to start in the same fashion. Position the cursor along the wall, watch the dimensions, simply release, and enter in the length of the wall required. That sets the exact length of the wall. And we'll finish this off using the regular Wall tool. Now, from our navigation tools, switch back to the Animated Walkthrough tool. And now, let's pan the 2D view so that we can see the living room. Go into the Fly Around tool and look toward the back of the house and close the 3D view while we design for a moment. At any time, you can close the 3D view by clicking the X in the corner of the 3D window or by choosing the 2D Plan View button in the toolbar. The Room Addition tool is another way of adding a quick room. Click the Room Addition tool. Sizes are available to set on the Properties pane, and other options are provided to define the shape of your room addition, the type of windows and doors. There's even an option to add an interior opening or not. By default, it will add an interior opening going into the house. And there's even options for the roof over the room addition. The room addition, with a single mouse click, will add a room, the walls, the doors, the windows, and the roof. Drag your cursor along the wall. Position your cursor on the side of the wall. To place the room addition, release, and the complete room addition is added. We'll use the Pan tool to move the view and Zoom tool to zoom out, or you can use the wheel on your mouse. Editing walls is easy. At any time, you can select a wall segment by clicking it with the left mouse button and drag it to resize the room. You can also select a single corner point of the room and drag it to create a slant in that wall. And we'll zoom in just a little bit. Rooms are defined by enclosed perimeters. Select this wall and delete it. And now the two hallways become one L-shaped hallway space. You can position your cursor over a corner or wall end. Press the left mouse button and drag it to change the length of the wall. In this case, there was another wall connected to the end we moved, and now that wall is at an angle. If that wall is not needed, just select it and delete it. By dragging the end of this wall up to the corner, we will close off the desired areas again for decorating and area calculations. Cased openings can be used as doorways between spaces while leaving the room separated as individual rooms. We'll connect these walls back up, and you'll see as I work, the rooms become divided again. And we'll add one more wall back to divide off the living room from that hallway. And you'll see that now, each is its own room again. Now, each can have its own floor material, and each will have its own estimate.